Hi, welcome back to Beauty for the Win, everybody. Today I want to show you the samples from Sephora Favorites. This is the Hello thing that they do. It's a bunch of samples and it's a reasonable price. You can try stuff out before you buy it. If you do like the product, it actually comes with 15% off the full-size products. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I love samples. I love the try before you buy aspect. If you don't like the product, you're not spending double digits or triple digits on something that, you know, you're gonna be returning back. Sometimes you can't even return something back. So it's just good to do the try before you buy aspect, and the fact that you get 15% off the large size is really cool. So this particular one is called Most Loved Beauty. It's at the bottom corner here. Okay, let's open it up. On the back there is just showing you so much beauty to try, so little time and budget to do it. So it's just explaining that, you know, it comes with the 15% off each product, and then also it's just more convenient sometimes to get smaller beauty items. Resealable pouch here. First thing I have here is the 15% off cards, and they have the codes on the back there. Here's a sample of Prada Candy. I've actually already tried this before and it's really strong. It's a strong, sweet smell to it. I might give this one away because it's just a little bit too strong for me. This is the Peter Thomas Ross Hyaluronic Serum. It's the Glow Serum Water Drench. 75% hyaluronic acid complex and then 3% hydrofuns. So it comes just like that. Pump, which is very convenient. That'll be interesting to try. I'll be trying that one out for sure. What else is in here? So this is the Benefit Roller Lash. It's the mascara. I can't remember if I've tried this or not. I mean, I don't know. Let me open it up and see. The color's black. It says on the top here. Ooh, almost fell out. Right there. Roller Lash. Open it up, see what it looks like. There's the brush. Is this good? I don't know. It's got a curve to it. It's worth trying. Let's get down to it. There is, oh, there's 3 more things left. So altogether it comes with 6 items. So, Amika The Cure. I've heard about this. They have a new formula that I don't know. I don't think this is the new formula because the new formula on the corner here says new formula. And this one doesn't have it. Anyways, it's the multitask hair repair treatment, and it restores hair from the breaking point, repairs for stronger hair that has bounce, body, ability, hold a style or curl, depending on your type of hair. Packed with vegan protein, bond cure technology, strengthens, reinforces the cuticle, so all good stuff. I want to say that I've tried this, but once again, I can't remember. I have tried, you know what? I haven't tried this. I've tried Amika Soul Food. That's the one I've tried. Amika Soul Food hair treatment. And it was average. I'll be honest, it was average. I didn't find too much of a difference with that one, but looking forward to trying that, see if it's any different. Next up is Makeup Forever Hydro Boost Step 1 Primer. I don't know, I have so many primers and I use so little of it that honestly I think it's just better if I give this one away. It probably is really good though because Makeup Forever, they're one of the best brands out there. There's a size right there. It's 5 milliliters. But with primer, really a little bit goes a long way, so that would last quite a while. Okay, put that one away. And last but not least is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. I have tried this before. It does help with the texture of your skin. If you have some oily here and some dry here, it kind of evens everything out. Let's see how many, there's 3 treatments in here, so definitely a good buy, because if you buy this by itself, I can't remember how much it is, but they are really pricey for these. So anyways, whether you're going to keep everything or give some stuff away, it's a really good deal for $13 Canadian. I mean, you get some small samples and deluxe samples. They're pretty nice. So there we go, 6 items. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, I do make beauty videos, DIY, how to, and I'm going to try to make more videos soon.